Okay, I figured this would be a fun video. I have the Sena Powerbank right there, power bank. It's a lithium ion, 3.7 volt, 5200 milliamp hour. It's a model SC-A0302. Input 5 volts max 2 amp, output 5 volt max 1.6 amp. Now I've used this for plugging into the GoPro here and other cameras to get longer power while riding in my videos. But this thing won't charge. It's dead. Dead as a doornail. There's the USB slot. There's the micro USB charge port. And it's held together by 6 Torx. Oh, what is this guy? I think it's a T. I want to say this is a T6. So, pretty small one. So let's take this apart and see what she's made of. Okay. What do we got here? So we got the battery, obviously. We got the circuit board handling probably charging and overcharging and all that good stuff. We got the power button right there. It doesn't seem to do anything anymore. The lights are on this side. Let's see, so that means there should be LEDs. There's the LEDs. Something there. What that's about, we'll check it out in a second. Let's look at this side. There's a rubber gasket. So it's pretty much sealed from the elements. That's good. This whole unit, the gasket, we'll peel it off, goes around there. Looks like it's molded into, like this big cover. Oh, that's a piece of plastic, but this cover here, and that sits into there. And then this goes through for the buttons. So a couple different pieces going on. You got this piece, those are molded together. And there's the little button. Those are the ports. So it looks pretty well made as far as being resistant to the elements, you know? I mean, obviously can't dunk it in water, but just for riding and light rain, it's probably fine. And if it's in a pocket, it's probably pretty well protected. So here's the battery. I guess it's glued in there. I don't know what that is about. What's that about, guys? It's curled up wire. Doesn't go anywhere. Has 2 leads there, soldered in. It was tucked away off into this corner. I don't know what that's about. It's like, hold on, off camera. Oh, man, that was on there good. They used some good double-sided tape to hold the battery in. It's pretty heavy battery. Don't want to cause a fire, so I won't damage this, assuming there's any oomph left in it. And then this cover, we got where the LEDs sit to shine through those lights to show charge amount. And they just pull out like that. So, got that right there. Set that off to the side. Close look at the circuit board. This is what we got going on right here. I guess if I got my voltmeter, we could take a reading to see if there's any juice. I'm just curious, like, what is that for? What does that do? Temperature, maybe? If it's too hot? Like, if this was in the sun, maybe that does something to shut it down. Because it's hard on the end, so maybe that's a take a temperature reading. Okay, let's push that button. Yeah, no lights coming on. Yeah, I couldn't get a charge, so I figured this is garbage. Okay, let's go get the voltmeter and see. Good old fluke meter. Had it since I was a little kid. These are the type of gifts I would get as a kid. Once I got a little older. So 3.97. So not much left. Well, I don't know. It's a 3.7 volt. Take that back. I was thinking it should be higher. So maybe the circuit board went out or something. Possibility. Either way, I will take this to like Batteries Plus or somebody that takes batteries, and they can have this for recycling. It was a good unit while it lasted, but it was also only, what was it? It was only 5,200 milliamp hours, and that's not much in this day and age. It is compact, but they were selling these for $100 at the time. It seemed pretty cool. I mean, now so many options: power bank, Anchor, all those. I'll put links in the description if you're looking for power banks or the type I use. And you can get 10, 20,000 that will last for, 20,000 will last for days, 30,000 even higher, and they're like 30 to 50, $60 depending the size you get. So anyways, hopefully you found this video interesting. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one. Bye.